a very charming multicolored bird. It is found in countries with warm and humid climate. Parrots are intelligent birds. It is a talking bird. They have an ability to make sounds like human voices. Its quills are green and there are black rings around its neck. They have a curved beak strong enough to break the nut. Parrots like to eat chilies, grains, nuts, fruits, etc. They generally make their nests in the hollows of a tree. On the ground, parrots often walk with a rolling gait. Most parrots are social birds that live in groups called flocks. These are very friendly birds and are kept as pets. Their population is becoming less due to hunting, trapping, and habitat loss. Several steps have been taken like translocation, supplementary feeding to increase their population. Every year 31st May is celebrated as World Parrot Day. Thank you for watching Universal Study Studio. Please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to see the other videos suggested by YouTube. Bye for now.